Hey, it's Brian with the Midnight Mechanic. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the coil pack in your second gen Ford Ranger. Now this is our 99 Ford Ranger and it has the 3-liter V6 in it. And it has a random misfire. And everything we looked at leads us to believe that the coil is the problem. So we're going to go ahead and replace it. It's really easy to do. It's only 4 bolts and a few electrical connectors. You just got to make sure you don't mess up your firing order. But we'll show you a good way to do that. So here's the coil pack in this Ranger. As you can see, there's only 4 screws. There's one here on each corner, so there's 4 of them. And then there's a plug here, and obviously the 6 spark plug wires. All you really have to do is remove these 8mm screws, and then you can go ahead and unplug it and remove all these. You have to make sure that you put these back on the same order that you took them off. It's not really hard to do. You can really trace them from the spark plugs, but there's an easy way to do it that you can just take them off and stick them on the new one, and we're going to show you how to do that. So I was wrong, it's actually a 7mm bolt, so we're going to take these 4 out. I'm just going to use a 1/4-inch drive. I don't want to use any mechanical means because they get a little bit dirty and rusted, and I don't want to snap them off in that bracket. So by using a 1/4-inch drive, we can get it off without putting way too much pressure on it and damaging it. That way we can be super careful. I'm going to go ahead and remove all 4 of these. Now with these loose, I'm going to go ahead and unplug this one right here. Now it normally has a clip on it, but it looks like someone had already damaged this from before. So we're going to take this and move it off. Now this is loose. We can go ahead and move this off to the side just like this. Here's our new one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sit the new one down on here. I'm actually going to bolt it down. With it off, I can use a little bit of mechanical means to get it back on again. Just don't over tighten it. Now the thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these one at a time and put them on the corresponding location on the new coil. Now that all that is on there, you can go ahead and replug it in. This one, like I said, is missing the clip on this plug. So hopefully we can get it to stay on there completely. It still snaps in pretty good. So I think that should be okay. Now it's reinstalled and ready to go. So there you go. It is so easy to do. It's going to take me more time to edit this video than it took me to replace that coil pack. Now, the hardest thing is probably if your spark plug wires are too short and you can't get both on there, you're going to need to figure something out. A lot of people label them with numbers. I don't like doing that because obviously it's the Ford Ranger and it's an underhood, but I still just don't like stupid stuff like that underneath my hood. So I try not to do that unless I absolutely have to. But in this case, I got lucky. Spark plug wires are long enough. I could do it like that. And I highly recommend you doing that yourself. And you can do that on other cars too. Distributors, whatever you need to do, try to do it like that rather than put marks and have little marks and numbers all over your engine bay. If there's anything else you'd like to learn about, post down below in the comments. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at The Midnight Mech, TikTok at The Midnight Mechanic, and follow our page so you can go ahead and see more how-tos and all of our other shows. See you guys next time.